Thank you very much, Bwana Obed. Asante sana Stanley and everybody around this, Mary and my good friend Anthony and Jackie here and all of us. Na asante sana my friend Kakai. Sisi wote, we are one team, and it is my hope that we will take this country to the next level together. Asante sana.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Tumeshukuru sana. Back to you.
Your Excellency, if we can just have a picture with the artisans. Your Excellency, maybe just to stand in the middle for a picture with artisans, or maybe we can step forward, just step forward a little bit. The photographers. Let's be seated, please. The rest of us, we can be seated. Then also we'll have PS.
Now that has been a panel discussion led, of course, by one President William Ruto and panelists who include artisans, sharing their experiences on how they've been able to gain from the affordable housing project. At the saying, they've been able to, of course, gain some monies, our income, if you like. And there, those are live pictures from State House, Nairobi. The panelists taking an opportunity to take a photograph with the president after sharing those experiences that they've been able to have since the inception of the affordable housing project across the country. Of course, the president has just signed the affordable housing bill into law, and now the housing deductions are officially legal. This follows a court ruling early in the year 2024, saying the affordable housing bill, or rather law, earlier did not have a basis, or rather a legal basis and a framework, and so forcing the members of parliament to go back to the drawing board and, of course, drafting this particular bill that has been now signed, or rather assented into law. And of course, in the tradition of a State House, or rather the president signing ordinary bills into law, it's normally a very, very short event of about 10 minutes. But today, it's a special event in that these particular rather law, the president, or rather even the Kenya Kwanza administration and the government has taken it with a lot of seriousness, you know, because the president has been saying this is a project that will be able to guarantee unemployed millions of Kenyans across the country to have an opportunity for jobs.